The introduction of ChatGPT brought a lot of attention to the entire AI sector, and the involvement of other tech giants like Microsoft and Google even further boosted this process. Stocks soared, private companies' valuation went through the roof, and of course, AI-related cryptos led the mini bull run we've had since the beginning of this year. AGIX, The Graph, Fetch.ai, Ocean Protocol, and even anything AI went up significantly. There are a lot of crypto-related AI tokens out there, but in this video, we are focusing on SingularityNet. Unlike the unending list of newly minted AI crypto, I would say SingularityNet has been here from the beginning. It was co-founded by Dr. David Hansen and Dr. Ben Gozel. I first came to know of this genius Dr. Ben Gozel, through one of his speeches about AI. He was with an AI robot called Sophia the robot. He has been championing the development of AI and mainly artificial general intelligence, AGI. And so it's great to have such a person involved in a crypto-related project. I'm saying all this to let you understand that SingularityNet is not for the buzz, but is developed by the people with real dedication to the AI sector. They have a lot to gain and a lot to lose. And it's much more than monetary value. They have reputations and legacies to protect. With all that being said, what actually does the SingularityNet aims to achieve? Its mission is to create a decentralized, democratic, inclusive, and beneficial artificial general intelligence, an AGI that is not dependent on any central entity. It is open for anyone and not restricted to the narrow goals of a single corporation or even a single nation. So that is the goal, to take the control of AI from wealthy and powerful individuals, corporations, and even nations. AI is expected to influence every aspect of our lives. In other words, whoever controls the AI that influences us is kind of going to control us. So it's important that it's democratic and most importantly, decentralized, to make sure that we are not being controlled easily by wealthy people for their own benefit. So how are they doing this? Let's look into the technology of artificial general intelligence and other related technologies that SingularityNet is using or even planning to use in the future. So FYI, the first is blockchain, right, for the decentralized aspect, but there are a lot to it. There is what they have as AI marketplace and AI publisher. You can search, trial, and select from an ever-growing library of AI algorithms created by a community of service providers. Integrate these AI services into your own applications. The publishing infrastructure also provides both central hub for creating, editing, and managing your AI services, and the tools you even need to launch those services to a global market. And they also have a domain-specific language, DSL, a deep self-organizing network of AI agents running on the SingularityNet platform, can outsource work to each other dynamically, leveraging AI functions, exchanging input and output data, negotiating payments, and enhancing the agent's reputation system. And then we have, of course, the token. You can earn more while holding AGI's token by vesting them in staking sessions, which will also support the operations of the blockchain network. OpenCog Hyperon. Well, OpenCog is a long-term project to implement a complete scalable and open source general artificial intelligence system. Based on the principles of OpenCog, it is an open source platform where different AI strategies and methods such as neuro-symbolic AI, evolutionary learning systems, economic attention allocation, or any other AI approaches can benefit. The narrative of AI and its influence is actually ready now. So I think it's going to do way more than it did at the time because it's actually trading over 40 cents, so almost like 50 cents or so. So generally, it's going to perform better than it did in other previous bull markets. The ecosystem is growing. AI, I think, is the biggest one in crypto. People are actually taking advantage of the deep funding, and also it has partnership and involvement with corporations. And then they have a SingularityNet bridge, which allows you to transfer tokens from one chain to another. And at this moment, they are on 2 chains. They are on Ethereum as well as Cardano. One thing you have to also understand about deep funding is 25% of tokens provided to any project by deep funding are locked in a deep utilization contract that specifies they can only be used to purchase AI services from SingularityNet agents. If these tokens are not unlocked within 1 year of issuance, they will automatically return to the deep funding wallet. Okay, so let's check on CoinGecko and let's look at the market cap of SingularityNet. Is at 639 million and at a price of 53 cents. Fully diluted market cap of 1 billion. So yeah, we are there. But still, for what it can do, and especially looking at how artificial intelligence can or is going to influence the next bull market, well, I think AGIX is going to perform better than many other cryptos. So what do I think is the future for SingularityNet? Well, at a market cap of 639 million, I think it means that if the price doubles from here, it will have a market cap of about 1.2 billion and it will have a fully diluted market cap of 2 billion. So it's going to have, that time it will be trading just over $1, probably $1.06. But we also know that AI has gotten the attention that it needs. So everything related to AI is going up. So it's not surprising that SingularityNet is performing well. But I still think because the idea of AI having influence, a huge influence in our lives, means that AI is the future, is one of the technologies for the future. And it means it's going to influence a lot of things. And we are going to have huge companies from this. You know, all of a sudden people are talking about how ChatGPT could influence the way we search. And it did. Microsoft is actually building their new search engine around that AI. So how many companies are going to change their business models? How many companies are actually going to invest hugely into AI-related technologies or AI-related markets? And that is what SingularityNet is doing. It has AI marketplace just for AI-related stuff, you know, and that's the important and the beauty of it. So if you're buying SingularityNet, you are buying the future. This is not one of those technologies that is at its peak level yet. How well do you think that the team is going to place this technology to make sure they win the fight for dominance? But I think it has one of the best minds in AI. Dr. Bengazo has been championing the development of AGI. And I think the singularity is going to happen at some point. And this is the beginning of things. We just hope that it keeps building from here and it keeps growing from here. So this is my take on SingularityNet. And yes, of course, I'm going to bring a lot of videos about it in the future. But yeah, I wanted you to understand what it's doing. You know, some people will look at the chart and feels like they are left behind. Maybe you are, because if all you care about is the next couple of weeks, even couple of years, then maybe there are other technologies, maybe there are other cryptos out there that can give you better returns. But if you are here for the long run and you're looking for something solid, well, SingularityNet is one of those. So take care of yourself, please, for the algorithm's sake, like and comment. And also for the fact that I think you will look forward to some of my videos that I will share in the future. Please also subscribe and hit on the notification bell. My name is Philip. Here's Investor Vibe. Bye.